Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Joshi. I am an assistant professor in Sri Labhubhai Trivedi Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's video lecture, I will give you a brief idea about how to register, how to do the student registration and team formation on GTU PMMS portal. So, this is the link for GTU PMMS portal, and to register and to do the student registration, student has to click on student registration tab. After clicking on this tab, student has to enter his or her enrollment number. After entering the enrollment number, just press the tab button. So, this information has been automatically generated by the portal. After that, student has to select his semester. Has to enter his first name, middle name and last name, and has to select the gender. Has to enter the email ID, again confirmation email ID. Has to enter the mobile number. After entering all the details, student has to click on register button. After clicking on this button, a message has been displayed that your registration has been done successfully. After doing the registration, your registration has been approved by your college departmental head. And after doing the registration and after doing the approval of registration, on your email ID, your ID and password will be sent by GTU. Clear? After doing the registration and registration has been approved by your HOD, you will get a PMMS login ID and password on your registered email ID. So, after getting the user ID and password, you have to log in on GTU PMMS page. That login has been done by this tab. If you will click on this tab, this window will open and you have to enter your user ID and password. And after getting the user ID and password, now you are able to do your team formation. So, after entering this detail, ID, password and CAPTCHA code, your portal will be open and it will look like this. Here this is your account. You can edit your profile, you can change your password. So, to do the team formation, you have to go in student, you have to go on check activity status and you have to click on team registration request. So, here you are having a two option. First one is individual project, second one is the team project. If you are doing your individual project, then you have to click over here. If you are having a team project, then you have to click on team project and click on to the team registration. So, here you will find your details. After that, you have to enter your project title. After that, you have to select the disciplinary or interdisciplinary category. So, if your project is in your department project, then you have to select disciplinary. After that, you have to select your institute guide. After selecting the guide, you have to enter the type of project. If you are doing the industry defined project, then you have to enter IDP. If your project is user defined project, then you have to select UDP. After that, you have to enter your project keyword. The minimum one keyword is required. Project keyword means the word which are the main consideration for your project, that is known as keyword. The major word that will define your project, that is known as keyword, project keyword. So, you have to enter one project keyword. After entering the project keyword, you have to write your project abstract, and after entering the project abstract, you have been asked that if you have external guide, then you have to enter the external guide details. If you have not any external guide, simply click on no. After entering all these details, you have to add your project team member. Please keep in mind that your project members must have to register themselves and taken the approval from HOD. Then and then you can add them as a team member of your project. So to add the project team member, you have to simply enter their enrollment number and click on add. So if in your project, if you are a 4 member, then you have to remaining 3 members you have to enter from here. The fourth member is you clicker. Fourth member is known as team leader. So remaining 3 members will be added from this. So you have to enter your enrollment number and click on add. After doing all this process, just click on submit. Just mark over here that I hereby declare that information submitted above is true to the best of my knowledge, and after clicking this, you have to click on submit button. So this is the process of registration and team formation on GTU PMMS portal. If you have any doubt, any question, you can give your doubt and question on comment section. Thank you very much.